I'll tell you what, it takes a team to put on these newscasts. Like the man who calls just about every shot you see at home. But for a few days this summer, he couldn't. Sterling Morgan's eyes were literally swollen shut. What happened and his advice for our viewers in tonight's Health Watch.
From KTVN, this is 2 News Nevada Evening Edition.
A leader on our production crew.
What you're seeing there.
Standby Alpha sound.
Yeah, guys, take a look at this here behind me.
Sterling Morgan has spent decades working behind the scenes directing what you see in your homes. When he's not calling shots, he enjoys time at the track.
The noise, the sound of the cars.
The Nascar fan recently made a trip over the hill to watch.
We went down to Sonoma Racetrack and spent the afternoon at the raceway. We were probably, in the sun, no more than 6 hours.
He admits he didn't take proper precautions and got a sunburn. But a couple days later,
I got up and the entire right side of my face was swollen, and it progressively moved across my face and down.
it looked like an allergic reaction. Sterling headed to the doctor, who prescribed a cocktail of medication for inflammation.
Steroids, antihistamines, anti-inflammatories.
Sterling never experienced anything like this and researched sun poisoning.
I've had sunburns. I've, been to Tahoe countless times. Been to Burning Man. But yeah, nothing like this remote.
Board-certified dermatologist Dr. Cindy Lamerson with Nevada Center for Dermatology didn't treat Sterling, but says excessive sun exposure can lead to this.
Obviously, if people are having a lot of fun and they're not sitting in the shade and they're out all day long, they can get blistering sunburns, and certainly that is a severe type of reaction.
She reminds patients to take breaks, sit in the shade, and reapply sunscreen every couple hours. Also, certain medications, even something seemingly benign like ibuprofen, can increase sun sensitivity. Most will have a warning label.
It should be, and most of the time it is, but some of the over-the-counters, people wouldn't really know.
So her recommendation, not just during summer, but year-round, is to cover up. And it's advice that Sterling agrees
T's, Q, beta, standby alpha, vote.
Is a good call. Now, moving forward, what are you going
Oh,
to do?
I'm going to wear sunscreen and a hat.
All right, we had that on record, Sterling. Sunscreen and a hat from here on out. Please join us tomorrow night, too. We'll hear more from Dr. Lamerson about posts on social media discouraging people from wearing sunscreen. Maybe you've seen that circulating. For a closer look, go to the features section of our website, 2news.com, and click on the Health Watch icon. All right, thanks, Sterling.
Boy, it was a fun NASCAR race, too. I could see how you'd forget.
Yes.
You get caught up in the action.